Hello and welcome to my channel. Now I would like to talk about meadows. In Hungary, where I live, is very near the Hortobágy National Park, which is famous of its puszta plants, which are living here wild. So this meadow is a dry meadow. In the springtime it's moist, but then it totally dries out. And one of the most interesting plants here are the chamomile. Yes, the chamomile grows in Hungary wild, and it can be very tolerant of salt and drought and bad soil conditions, but the seeds need light to germinate. So if the seeds are covered with soil, they will not germinate. And it's very interesting because road salting is good for this plant. So chamomiles are flowering. I wish you were here and you could smell the wonderful chamomile fragrance. So there are lots of chamomiles here, and there are also other plants like sages, Salvia nemorosa. This is the Salvia nemorosa. It has smaller flowers than Salvia pratensis, and it looks beautiful. And my grandmother told me that when they were young, they picked the leaves and they made tea from the leaves because it smelled like it has less sage smell, but it's also smelled a little citrusy, so they used it instead of mint. And this is another wild plant in Hungary. It's called draba, and yes. So because of the cars are going out and passing by, I will stop the video now. If you like my content, you can like and subscribe and leave a comment. And I hope you enjoy this beautiful view of chamomile field.